Okay, right now we are ready to start working with SQL Management Studio. We have to configure the opening screen that comes up when Studio is run for the first time, and it hasn't been configured yet. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. First of all, I want you to know that right now I'm on my laptop. So from my laptop, I am going to start remote desktop, and I'm going to connect to the Ignition server so we can start configuring the SQL Management Studio. I'm going to go ahead and click on connect and connect to the server. Okay, here I am in the server, Ignition server right now. I'm going to go ahead and start oh, okay, hold on a second. Before I do that, let's just go to system. And let me show you that this is indeed the Ignition server right here, the new box. So remote desktop, it's pretty handy. I don't have to have an extra keyboard, mouse, or monitor connected to my server. Remote desktop allow us to access it without any of those. So I'm going to go ahead and click on SQL Server and Management Studio. And today we're going to work on setting this up for the first time and creating the basic database that will be able to log all the info from Ignition Gateway. So this is what we're going to set up right now. Okay, here we are going to, for the server name, we are going to use local host. That's for the server name, local host. We are going to leave Windows authentication as it is right now. Username stays the same. Database name, we're going to leave it at default. Encrypt mandatory. And we're going to click on Trust Server Certificate. We're not going to use anything on custom properties for now. As for the browse, we're going to leave everything as default. We should be able to, at this point, we have already filled up everything. This is my connection screen right now, what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click connect. All right, this is the first time we ever connect to the SQL database. Quickly, before we leave, we are going to create a database. So we're going to go new database. This one we're going to leave for now. We're going to come back to it later. But for now, let's just call it Ignition SQL Ignition. This is the database that we're going to be using inside Ignition. Actually, we're going to leave everything the way it is. We're going to create other databases later. This one, we might have to create some tables later on too. But for this one, we're going to save it just for the audits inside Ignition. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the actual Ignition Gateway. We're going to download it and install it. And we're going to configure the gateway to have access and talk to this SQL database right now.